Hi friends, welcome back to Madhvi Food YouTube channel. Today I am going to share chicken curry recipe. For this recipe, I will prepare a paste. For the paste, I am using curry leaves, 1 onion, 1 chilli, some ginger, and 3 garlic cloves, and 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 3 teaspoons of water. The paste is ready. Keep it aside. Now time to add oil to the pot and add 1 onion, some curry leaves, and 3 garlic cloves and some chili. When the onion is brown, I took little of it and add it to the thick coconut milk. Keep it aside. Turmeric, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and half teaspoon of cinnamon cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Add 1 cup coconut milk. Add chicken, coconut milk 2 cup. It's almost 3 cup coconut. Is 3.5 cup coconut milk. Cook it. When it is cooked, add the paste. Cook it again. When it is done, add thick coconut milk to it and cook it well. It's ready. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye bye. Do try it, okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Bye.